Bogota is the capital of Colombia, which and great diversity of culture, in which there are many emblematic sites, such as Bolivar Square. The Butero Museum. Of the main attraction is of Montserrat, which ends a height of 3,152 meters, and its location of the Eastern Cordillera of the hills in Bogota of the sedimentary origin of the grade in the 16 million years old. The art collection of the Bank of the Republic.
Colombia, tierra querida, himno de fe y armonía. Cantemos, cantemos todos, grito de paz y alegría. Vivemos, siempre vivemos a nuestra patria querida.
The House of the Coin.
Su suelo es una oración y es un canto de la vida. Su suelo es una oración y es un canto de la vida. Cantando, cantando yo viviré.
Colombia, tierra querida.
Cantando, cantando yo viviré.
Colombia, tierra querida.
The Mint the Gold Museum. The Plaza of Spain. The San Bartolome School, which is one of the first schools established in Bogota.
Colombia te existe
The Nariño Place, the place of justice.
grande con el furor de tu gloria. La América toda canta la floración de tu historia. Vivemos, siempre vivemos a nuestra patria querida.
The House of Nariño.
Su suelo es una oración y es un canto de la vida. Su suelo es una oración y es un canto de la vida. Cantando, cantando yo viviré.
Colombia, tierra querida.
Cantando, cantando yo viviré.
Colombia, tierra querida.
And many other places of Corabastos. There are shopping centers like of the Mall Calima, Andrea Shopping, and the Center Commercial Santa Fe de Bogota, the Unicentro Plaza Imperial, and many others that you can visit. Bogota is a grand tourist attraction because the extensive capital is the main attraction, such as museum, church, squares, etc. Moment you arrive in the say different squares, church, and the tourist attraction, you will in love in the city full of stories and strong emotions. Park attractions like Parque Los Nevados Bogota, because of tourism attraction at the time of the Squares Museum, art selection, and the large buildings like Colpatria Tower, appeared. At that time, Bogota began its a lot of the tourist attraction makes to the people excited and the want of becoming snow the beautiful Bogota ice.